Okay. So my screen is visible, everybody? Hello. Okay. So hello everybody. As she said, I am Mohipriya Ghosh, the startup head of IIC TMSL Salt Lake, and today we are having a small session on a certain topic that is BMC, that is Business Model Canvas. So if we just talk about any business model or any kind of model that represents our business, that needs to be framed out. So, if you are an entrepreneur or any kind of business holder, you will be knowing that we need a one pager or a certain place where we need to write down our pros and cons of the business. First thing, what we have learned till now is SWOT analysis. Means every time we do a PPT on any kind of business or any kind of present means pitching funding parts, we make a PPT that consists of that uh, SWOT analysis. So SWOT is the first part of any kind of business or ideation phase. But whenever it needs to grow and it has acquired some kind of customers to it, then there was a newer proposition in 2005 given by Alexander Osterwald, that is BMC. So visible means as visible in my screen, the BMC consists of 9 parts. So anybody out here holding any kind of business means apart from ideation phase, they have thought about any kind of progression. Anybody out here? Anybody from Secret Chef who have acquired customers, doing out orders? You can just unmute and like communicate. It will be better. Hello.
Aditya, do you want to like to say something? Are you there?
Okay, so I should continue with that. Uh, so if we are holding any kind of business, okay, so there is a part that BMC plays. Like if you are a business holder and you need to know that where are my clients, what are the value propositions, what are the channel sources of income, how am I means what are my relationship with my customers, what are the activities that I do, how are the resources that are being used, who are my partners, how is the revenue being generated, as well as the costs that are being handled. All of these comes under a single board inside this BMC. So this illustration or the diagram that it shows, it has 9 parts and it has a certain numbering that has been shown. That first we'll be talking about the clients. So if we want to understand this BMC on a broader prospect, we will have to know about how this BMC works. Okay, so you can think about any kind of business, like it can be a bigger business like e-commerce, like Amazon, Flipkart, or it can be some kind of retail, like Big Basket, or any kind of software businesses. You can think about any website that you pay, like uh, Netflix or any kind of thing. So if we can talk about this BMC via any kind of case study, we will be understanding it on a better note. Like if I talk about clients, clients specially pertains to things that who are purchasing our products, who are the potential customers, who are the target groups that we are willing to go, and who are the people that who means which we have targeted but not yet reached. Like you have heard saying